What's up, kids? I'm back, Anthony Laporta Jr. in Home Fitness and Health. Probably just saw me post that video, 48 kilogram, two-handed clean goblet squat, and then I had a fail on the one-handed clean. I am 11 months, almost 11 months, post total hip replacement on the left. Surgeon told me I was genetically unlucky, that my right hip, I present like a 35-year-old athlete. My left hip was like a 75-year-old arthritic male. I don't give up about any of that. I'm back. I've been training intelligently on my own, partially into my rehab. COVID hit. I just took matters into my own hands. On top of all my certifications and being a trainer for almost 17 years, I have a 2-year degree in physical therapy with clinical rotations. So, one-handed, 24 kilogram bell. This is where you'd be at, for your strength, for your testing requirements as a man. And I'm going to just show you that if you do things with good technique, you have a good coach, you can overcome any injuries or anything else you need to do. Except possibly not being the best technology guy. So trying to give you guys a good video of this. Here we go. So we'll just do the one-handed with a 24 kilogram, 53 pounds. Swing, high pull, clean, squat, strict press, push press, jerk. Park the bell. Whatever you do on the right, show it on the left where the hip was replaced. Swing, high, clean, squat, strict press, push press, jerk. That's where it's at, people. I am so happy to be on my way back to doing all the things I love to do, to be the best I can for me, my 10-year-old daughter, my beautiful wife, who I'm with almost 27 years, married 18, for the clients I've had for weeks, months, and years who trust me, for the business I've built over 10 years on my own, 100% referral based, and for everyone on social media that maybe, just maybe, I could bring a little bit of knowledge, education, inspiration, and motivation for you to be more healthy, happy, and successful. Contact me for a free consultation, or if you want to work with me, I promise to point you in the right direction. If you're not local to me, I know qualified coaches all over the U.S. and internationally as well. There are a lot of people out there I would not trust with my friends and family, but I have connections that I do trust with my friends and family pretty much around the globe. HS and S to you.